Hey guys, I got something for you. I don't know if it's going to work or not. I've never done it. We're going to try it. We're going to scrub us 3 big jumbo bacon potatoes, like so. We got 3. Now, we are wrapping them up in foil. Let's see. I gotta have some salt. Tell you what, I'm loving these Royal King seasonings, guys. These things are fabulous. Okay. We're going to take some full tater. I got some, you can do this with olive oil, whatever kind of oil. But I got this bacon up. So I want to slather it all over this potato. Uh-oh, there we go. Okay. Then we're gonna. Oh, good Lord, Lesley. Hey, I have to wipe this down. Oh. Okay. Then we're gonna put. Oh wait, you guys ain't even. You will see. Okay. We're going to put salt all over the tater. We're going to wrap it up like this. And we're going to put it in the crock pot. Apparently, you can bake potatoes in the crock pot. I've never done it. I love the concept because I don't have to heat up my house with the oven, and I don't have to worry about it. Just walk away. Just put them in there and leave. Alright, I gotta wash the outside of this container because I'm getting it everywhere. Wrap them. Put them in there. I'm going to do 3. Because there's 3 of us. I'm going to have to get me a paper towel. So I reckon you set the crock pot on high and you just leave them there to do their thing. Let's see. Now, wash my hands real quick. Alrighty. Salt. Alright. Now, we're going right here in the crock pot, like so. Got it on high. Now, pop on the lid. And that's it. Dinner is pretty much going to be ready to rock here in a little while. Oh, we're gonna have roast beef or pot roast beef, whatever, to stuff these potatoes with. We're gonna top them with some Swiss cheese. It's gonna be good. So I'll see y'all in a few, or in a little while, I guess. I'm going outside for a little while to work on some stuff outside. And I will see you guys in a little bit.